You can literally find hundreds of builders and rehabbers that will be more than willing to buy your land deals from you. And this is how you're gonna do it. So the first step to wholesaling land, you're gonna wanna pick a market. Now remember, when you're picking a market, the type of land that you're wanting to go after is really gonna dictate what market you're gonna be in. If you're wanting to go after desert land, then obviously you're gonna be on the West Coast where the desert's at. If you're gonna wanna go after more forest land, you're gonna be on the East Coast where the forests are. In this video, you're going to realize how easier it is to wholesale land than it is houses. I'm going to give you 3 reasons within this video. So please watch to the end because you're going to be amazed at how fast and how easy it is to wholesale land. Make sure you like and subscribe. And so guys, the second step is you're going to want good buyers. So finding buyers for land is actually very, very, very easy. You can actually find hundreds of builders and rehabbers with just a few clicks of a button. And it's probably one of the easiest types of buyers that you can find. But here's the thing, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to find those buyers at the end of the video. So make sure you watch all of this video so you can see exactly how we find these buyers for free. The third step to wholesaling land, you gotta start looking for your sellers. You gotta start marketing for land deals. So what we do to market the most cost-effective way, and we can literally spend $400 to $500 to get one deal. You can't do that with houses. You're gonna spend $5,000 to $6,000 just to get one house deal. So what we do is we send something called a blind offer. We send about 100 of them every single day. You can actually start with just 20 a day and you can get a deal within typically 30 to 60 days. But what you're gonna do is send these blind offers, and what'll happen is your sellers are gonna get them, they're gonna read them, and they're gonna sign our offer, send it back to us. When we get it back in the mail, we have a signed contract ready to assign to one of our builders. Another simple way to market for land deals is by text messaging. That's something else we do. We do it more when we're out in Spain. I really love the blind offer method. We don't do that when we're in Spain though. Definitely look into texting as a marketing method. It's actually pretty cheap. If you want to know who we use, just send me a message on Instagram. You can find me at Virtual Wholesaling Ninjas. So the next step in the system is signing your deal to your buyer. Now, obviously, if you've been wholesaling houses or if you've done research on wholesaling, you know what a signing is. So we're not going to get into that. To assign your deal, however, that's when you get paid. That's when you're making 8, 10, 20, 30. I mean, we've made over $80,000 on one land deal. So if you want to learn how to start flipping land, just shoot me a text message here. Text land to 405-561-2263, and I'll be happy to help you learn this business. So if you want to learn how to start flipping land, just shoot me a text message here. Text land to 405-561-2263, and I'll be happy to help you learn this business.